Hello everyone, welcome to Python Advanced tutorial. Myself Arun and I'm your instructor for this particular course. Okay, what we are going to learn in this particular tutorial. Okay, so we are not going to cover the core functionality of Python here because the core functionality the tutorial which we have covered in the different course. Okay, so this particular course for the people who has the basic knowledge about Python. Okay, so what we discussed so far in our basic tutorial, what is Python and what is variable and what is the different data types and what is list and dictionaries and tuples and functions and classes and objects. So those are all basics. Okay, in this particular tutorial we are going to cover some advanced concepts or some in detail concepts which is left over on the basic tutorial. Okay, let's see what are the concepts which are going to cover or what are the topics which are going to cover. Okay, as part of this particular course we are going to discuss all of them which is shown in the screen. The first one, working with files and directory. So what is files and what is directory? Okay, so you have a file or you want to create a file and you want to write something into it, and how we are going to do that with the help of Python. And if you have a directory, you wanted to create a directory or you wanted to delete a specific directory and how to do that in Python. So all those things comes under in the first topic. And second one, and the important one, working with the different databases. Okay, Python have different libraries for different databases. In this particular course, we are going to concentrate on Oracle and MySQL. So what we are going to discuss, how we are going to establish a connection to the MySQL database and Oracle database. And we are going to do the CRUD operation in Oracle database as well as the MySQL database. Okay, and then exception handling in Python. If you wanted to be a expert in Python language, not only in Python, in any other programming language, if you wanted to be an expert, you need to know how to handle the exception. I mean, how to handle the failure scenarios. That is most important thing. Okay, and then what is lambda functions? The term itself it is new. So what we are going to discuss in the lambda function and why it is used. And then some utility topics like Python dates, nothing but how we are going to get the current date or all date relevant utilities. So we can go through the dates with the help of the Python document and how the Python is works with JSON, and do we have any predefined libraries which help us to work through the JSON, that we'll discuss. And regular expressions in Python. So what is regular expression and why do we need that, and how are we going to use in Python? So all of this we are going to discuss in this particular course. Okay, so throughout the course have a interactive course, and I hope you guys will enjoy the course. And thank you so much, and we'll meet each other in the next video.